I can't even do a proper intro because actually, welcome to another episode of Meshed in Anime. This is Freeman, Tabang, Slow. Let's get to it. It seems they are committing haram. What we saw today is yes, 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 yes. This, yo, I take back near. Give the language. But
Yeah.
what is happening right now at Naturena is S. They're taking us for granted. There's no way.
So in Kingiva,
There's no way.
state the problem.
My friend,
Alright,
it's always been the same problem at Kaiser Chiefs.
consistency.
No.
What?
Top management.
Yeah. But
So you think the coaches are not the one?
No, who is responsible for those coaches? Listen, top management has this weird fixation
yeah, man.
on assistant manager.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is that? We're seeing another repeat of Dylan Shepard and
Zwan.
and Atazwan.
Yeah.
Which as not card.
True, like it's I know we've won a trophy, but we're not performing well. I know we've won Nedbank Cup and that
And the Yabola draw lawa, you might take it lightly. But the account company,
Yeah.
yeah, last season for the past 3 seasons, lose Angeli.
And bro, what's making me more mad is actually the fans, Joe. They are more relaxed about
But
like-
you think they are relaxed? You know why?
they are.
Have you seen Utaman numbers
Yeah.
at Tropeganjan?
It's
Phela
not,
manje Sundowns has more fans stadium than Chiefs.
it's not about fans being relaxed, but I think fans have given up in a way.
no, they haven't. Thing is, one thing about
Because-
fan base, yeah, course.
What will change?
Online
like,
fans.
No,
It's
guys,
only
listen.
online.
No, one thing about fan base, course.
Yeah.
is they are loud. We are loud.
Yeah, I get that.
Sometimes
But-
violent if
but-
need be.
but
So
right
I'm not
now-
saying I'm not saying they must be violent, but
Mm.
they have changed. They are no longer the team to confront the problem. They understand.
But I think
It is the brown nabi.
Yes. Because Unabi made us to understand if something went wrong,
Mm.
be super patient.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we know we could deliver.
yeah.
And now they are doing the very same thing with these assistant coaches. They are being understanding.
Yeah, I get that. But also, where I think fans have like had enough. I think fans have fought
They're
for.
tired of talking.
Yeah, they fought for like the past 10 years where they wanted consistency, where they wanted the players to perform. But now I feel like the fans are like, it is what it is. We just
Like
don't
I
get-
said, like I was,
Nah,
I was
boy.
saying, Wuti, I think us, Mzansi, we should treat big teams like big teams. And the only thing SL Manch, us fans, we are the only one saying it's a big team. But do those teams stand up for their names?
They don't.
Kaizer Chiefs doesn't.
Yeah,
They don't.
Manje,
Kaizer
Kaizer
Chiefs-
Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs Manje is pushing status. They know what we are Kaizer Chiefs. So say, like, but they rely too much
Like,
on the name.
I was watching that game and I was like, bro,
What's happening?
is this a big team? Like for real?
Like what?
Like if we're being for real, like bro, are the players? Are
There
the
are
play-
only individual players that you can
Bro,
see that they are
exactly.
trying.
And also, it's like, do the players feel like privileged to play for this team? Do the players feel the pressure? Do the players feel the love? Do the
Again.
players feel the passion?
That is due to fans being understanding. There is no way. I'm not talking about Kev, not today's game, right?
Yeah.
There's no way Utu please misses the chance and we let him off easily as
Yeah.
we did.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
now it becomes a joke. We understand. It's a joke to us.
And
it's
it
a joke
is.
to the fans.
It is.
And,
And
it's
what
not-
if-
hey, Pedro, it's the point. That guy missed. Pedro, he missed the
Open
open
net.
net. And not even for the
Open
first
net.
time.
Exactly.
Not
And
even
you know,
for the
and
first-
you know what?
not
You
even
know
for the
what?
first
You know
time.
what? Now it's like causing what will cause the consequences.
Yeah.
Like if we score that goal, we would have an away
Away
goal.
goal.
Yeah. And now that puts us like in a better advantage,
Now
in a better place. Now
We're in the same places that Krugerstop team, whatever the name is. If those guys score,
hey, bro, we
if those guys score, and currently we're failing to even score a goal.
Yeah.
we
yeah.
can't.
We
Yeah.
can't score.
Yeah,
we
we
can't.
scored a goal.
If that team in Dobsonville manage by chance, by miracle, they score one goal.
It's shy.
And it
But
can happen.
what is
All
that?
can happen with
Sure.
anything.
That's what I'm saying.
Corner.
What is that?
Even the last match, you couldn't score. Take off the jerseys.
No, guys.
Banana jerseys.
No, actually, because
Yeah,
What's
but
happening now,
I
boy?
get it.
Wait, Ish boy, you are too relaxed. And one thing I see these guys, what the
Like,
fans are doing, they are waiting, like, for us to
now,
reach the finish line
okay,
for them to start complaining.
for me,
They are waiting for the league to
yeah,
like
to
start
end,
to
to
be
end.
mathematically over for us. Then they'll start complaining. They are waiting for us to
Gonna start
actually,
fighting for top 8
yes,
again,
they're
top
waiting for us to
4
actually
again.
start to lose the Nedbank Cup, for example, for them to start complaining.
But boy, I get that, but like I
Without
get
Because what
no, I get
happens when you get knocked out of a net?
I get that. Like
without pressure from us, the fans, everything is gonna continue as is. Kamikaze and his friend, what's that other one? What's that other one? Is that two of them? They're gonna continue wasting our time because this is a waste of our time.
but
This
I
is a
feel
waste
like
of our
yeah, I feel like
Not-
you're putting too much pressure on the fans, boy. Because like I get it. The fans should put pressure.
They should. That's what we
But
need.
the management also should take accountable, boy. They should be
But
accountable, boy.
how will those guys take the accountability if the fans are not putting pressure on them? Because they don't just wake up in the morning and say, we have worked,"
But I think what's
and say,
happening
no.
now,
But they
It
can
must come from the fans.
Nah, I get that, but listen, I really get it. But listen, the management shouldn't listen to fans.
We're not saying they must
but
listen to
look,
us.
okay, for an example,
But they should actually study the team, see what they need.
but
See,
we all see what's needed there.
we all, you know what's
Because
crazy?
if you can see, ne, Chiefs did only good 3 signings. Ne?
Yeah,
It's Miguel, ne, the
I
first
touch
one.
on that after you finish,
Yeah,
though,
it's
but yes.
Miguel, it's Mayo, it's Lilepo. Others, they can't sign anything. The Chiefs is failing
Right.
to do signings.
No, right. Let me touch on that actually. Right.
yeah,
Bro, we have Igor Daro. Brilliant first half.
yeah.
Brilliant first half.
You are brilliant.
What you take Igor Daro off? For what?
I don't
For
know.
what?
I don't
We have Chislet. No appearance this season. For what? We don't know. Ushing. No appearance this season. Why? We don't know. Umabu was in the bench today. Not used. Why? We don't know. We
Okay.
don't even know how Uvelepai plays.
Let me
But man, Ghost. What's happening?
Let me
What's
ask-
the whole
let
point
me
of us signing these players if they're not even going to be used? Not even once.
Yeah.
Let me ask about
Not even once.
Solomons. Why are you guys keep on doing this to Solomon?
Why is Frosler playing? Why is Frosler still on the pitch?
This boy,
Yes,
give him a chance
yeah,
and he delivers. Then the next match bench.
Yeah.
Give him
It
a
might be
chance.
injured
delivers.
Frost in Solomon, but my issue is, Echo, I know Mian is coming from injured. You don't care. He's in the bench. Put him on the pitch.
Put him on.
You
Yeah.
can't have Frost. Frost.
That's for Sondra ne. But in the Umnian ne, I feel like Umnian can be your next Dion Hoto. You know why I'm saying that? The Pirates has best chances of scoring when there's Dion Hoto on the field. Dion Hoto has the most chances created in PL this season.
Well,
Yeah.
Minyani, when he's on the pitch, that right side, it's all
Bro,
his.
yeah.
And besides the attack,
It's all his.
notice,
Even defensive.
no chief. Whenever we have Frost on the pitch, we expose our centre backs. Kunika is always chasing the ball because of Frost. Always, Kunika is on the
See,
defensive. Always.
Miguel is always
Always.
complaining.
Kunika is always.
He becomes Van
Always.
Dijk.
Always. Let's talk about today's game. Let's go back to this game
Yeah.
against Israel. Why the changes? Why was Miguel removed? Who Ox, bro? Best player on the pitch.
Yeah.
Nothing got past to Ox today. And nothing got past to Ox today. They
Nothing.
remove Ox. Why? And
Yeah.
on top of the Undlove. Undlove is just there for vibes, bro. Like he's just there for vibes. But come on, bro.
But I feel
Man,
like- I feel like that was a
Aye.
positive change.
But also, boy, in
was a
top boy, first few
because there were
games,
too-
boy, he was.
He
Too
was.
much back passes.
He was.
For me, na,
First few
He
games,
was.
those changes, ne?
yeah.
Wonke umuntu uyazi, I'm a Pirate fan.
Yeah.
But today I couldn't watch Pirates because of some internet reason.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
now,
yes.
so now when I couldn't watch, I was watching Chief. There
Yeah.
were too many back passes, Ntwana, too many back passes. Like for me, na, people who were progressive on that match,
Yeah.
Fundo Vilagazi and Du, they were trying their best.
Yeah.
And these
Even
these
Igor
are
Daro
small
was.
boys. Yeah, that right back. Ne?
Yeah.
These people, they were doing everything they can. Then in Polumal figure midfield goes back. Figure Ulele
No, but
goes back. Like why?
I want you to think about Ox usually criticize Ox from a big pass.
For back passes.
But today,
He was trying to take them
Yo,
forward. So
No, today ama-back packs were Ox they were necessary because the only
Yeah.
time bashaye back
the guy
packs
won midfield.
is if bebeshaya nge-counter,
Yeah.
he wins back the ball. Obviously, you can't change because
Yeah.
so it
And
takes
the-
back to Kwinika, then yahamba.
And then most of the time,
It was necessary.
they got to my forced to Gulisa.
Yeah, it was necessary. Because I'm thinking maybe Ox is tired, but come on.
Mina, what I can say about the changes, Ama changes.
Yeah.
The first
They had a
reasons
great
for
game.
Ama changes,
Yeah.
Ox was exposed the center. Ne? They got spanner too much, and the to my spanner, they were always surrounding him, and that was causing too many.
That's why
back
we put
passes.
Ox. Ox
Yeah.
can handle it.
Yeah,
One
sure,
man,
like,
one
but
man.
at the same time, the coach is pushing for a win. Ne?
Mm,
So that's why Amabe keeper they removed Ox.
Keep
They removed.
Kiputele.
Yeah, they were supposed to.
Remember,
suspend.
Upama taking midfield. Ox Utele is not that
Yeah,
Yeah.
good
yeah,
defense-wise, right?
yeah.
So obviously, we want to make what you call forward changes.
No,
Attacking
Ngenile.
changes, no, Angena.
No.
So what you can do is simple thing. I want to attack.
Yeah.
So obviously, ufuna udinga
And instead of Ndlovu, you can put Ngobo.
Let's unqobo. Ufuna attack. Let's just say you wanna go kamikaze mode. Awusancengi.
Yeah.
Ox makadlala makastick
I
la.
won.
4-3-3 umusho adefend.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how they play phambili. Kwama taking midfielder phambi kwakhe ayi-2 or you can
And
even put uSirinho lapha. So
Yeah.
however you want to do it.
I don't
Keep
understand
Ox on the pitch.
why you guys. King Chiefs doesn't have a striker, but this thing of Mayo playing as a striker, I don't get it.
But also, it's crazy how the changes made us worse.
That's what I'm saying. Like what
It's good for 5 minutes.
No,
after the
first
changes.
half, like first half we're good, but like first half we're brilliant. Then the changes came, and there was no momentum. There was no sequence of passing.
I think you guys
There was
should
nothing.
start starting Fundo Vilagaz.
stop the train. Wherever this train is going with these two assistant coaches must stop immediately.
Yeah.
And
We've had enough. If had enough.
Mangi mina ne, I'll be scared.
Mm.
I'm not saying it's shy, but if these three Zakala, Parat,
Who?
it's Vilagazi,
Yeah.
Mayo,
Yeah.
Shabalala. If
Yeah.
Bakala,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a
Ngobo
problem.
also.
Yeah,
Ngobo.
and more.
Yeah.
Then Inking Ulilepo sometimes it does.
Oh,
Imagine
Oh.
stats sakhe. Imagine
Oh.
stats sakhe yini.
Mm.
The player with the most shots this season.
Oh.
Not most goal, most shots. this season. And when they're talking about shots, they're not talking about Tama shot as an on target. They are talking about shots.
Of target. The thing is with Lilepo, he shoots from anywhere.
And the way he's supposed to shoot, he tries to force to shoot and all right. And like,
I mean, I think also Ngolilep is he's our best player.
Mara, what?
But on a random Tuesday,
Yeah.
he's gonna play 8 with Asaz
Ulilepo is the player that is supposed to be saving these small boys. These small boys are supposed to be
he got 3 chances today.
and they were
3
given by
chances.
who gave him those?
Hlabudle ndoda.
Yeah.
But on a silver plus, complicates the yo.
Ufuna ukushoot- you are running, heading to your left. Ufuna ukushoota ngo-right.
Jordan.
Le ndoda,
The more I check today's game, the more I look at today's game. Boy, imagine I went from mana today. I saw with a second half in Jeganje. Bengihleli kanje. I went from sitting like this.
Boy.
First half, yeah, I'm like, I need to sitting like this.
FIFA mode,
I'm thinking,
Yeah.
hey, why is this? Come on. Simple win.
Hey,
Simple win.
and you saw Njebe almost cost us a goal.
Oh, that thing. But it happened. It happened.
I get it.
And-
I feel.
Unchebe is good.
And you said they say that it did Joe.
Yeah.
Unchebe is always exposed.
Yeah.
Yabona Unchebe is that one goalkeeper that even if they
Yeah.
expose, is always good.
Yeah.
Unchebe, most of the chances abam scorer one is exposed. Like it's things that
He can't
do
save. He
Yeah,
Yeah, he can't do anything. And Egypt Yam Kawad. Like
Right.
the way you guys are playing, like you are killing the confidence of players that are good. Some players like umuntu, it's like that thing which wena today uphume endlini uthi yeah, yabona
So,
today
so do you
ngiyabangena.
think Kaizer Chiefs is the Manchester United of South Africa?
Yeah.
Where talent
Ah,
is being
yeah,
killed
it's
there?
been
I don't
been like
think so.
that. It's been like that.
Talent.
Low key. Yabona
Yeah,
low key.
yeah.
Thinking we are overlooking it because we have this thing, it's Kaizer Chiefs,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
biggest
yeah.
club. But low key is
Yeah.
doing that.
I
I feel like,
think,
and Hugo Bruce,
Yeah.
I feel like even though he doesn't see what he's doing, but
Yeah.
I feel like he's showing it to which Chiefs is killing some players. Because
don't think
players
so.
go there thinking,
I
"Kuti, yeah, we're going for cheap."
I beg to differ.
Because I'm always gonna talk about Ndu.
Yeah.
Take that same Duduzi Shabalala.
Yeah.
Put him on Sundowns. Put him on Pirates.
Yeah.
That boy will excel. But manje, he
Yeah.
can't excel because he can dribble the whole ground. Pass, Umunta missed. Then next time,
And
then the next time he tries to do it on his own,
Yeah.
then he fails.
You know why I say I beg to differ on that statement? In menu, the team kills the players. Kaizer Chiefs, players kill themselves.
How? But how?
No.
How is
Look
it?
at
How is it until to when fan no with manje?
no.
People,
They are playing for a big club.
but people
They've
can't
made it.
you can't be a problem to everyone and expect everyone to be a problem. Chiefs is the how is it every
So,
player that comes to Chiefs
again, the
performance here drop?
The difference is in the phrasing. The team does not kill the players. Players kill themselves.
How?
Because look, for example, look at Utem Hopotani today against the Chiefs.
Yeah.
Effort that he was putting, he never put that very same
But
effort.
how do you put an effort?
Yeah.
Itself doesn't
Yeah.
have it.
What do you mean?
Look
look at it this way.
The
So,
spirit
Ghana.
thing. It's a team spirit thing.
look at it this way, right?
Because
Yeah.
I'll also use an example. Look
Sure.
at Marcus Rashford now.
Mhm.
Look at Marcus Rashford now.
Yeah.
Positive energy.
Exactly.
Positive
And
energy.
compare him to when he was at United.
Yeah.
Ghana, everyone
You
can
see,
come to
this-
your house
again,
and feel safe.
like
Then you blame
I said to you,
people.
I picked it because the phrasing. For Rashford in menu,
Yeah.
he was still putting the very same effort that
Was
he was.
No, he wasn't.
He was.
He wasn't pressing as hard.
He was.
No, he wasn't
was.
pressing.
Again,
He wasn't
let's
pressing.
not argue about Rashford. Let's argue about the point I'm trying to make.
Yeah.
The point that I'm
But he
trying to
wasn't
make is
pressing though.
when players arrive at Kaizer Chiefs, to them, they've reached the promised land. You understand what I mean?
Yeah,
They've
yeah.
reached the promised land. So, let me make an example on Christian side. You remember, as soon as he left Chiefs, he started banging goals.
Yeah.
But in Kaizer Chiefs, he was missing goals. Oh, but he
But
was
was
bad.
he trying?
Ma-
Wasn't he trying?
So, my man. What I'm saying is, he was getting the chances.
Yeah.
And he was missing them, right? When he gets there, he's converting his chances elsewhere. Because I had no choice. He's fighting for it. We are about to now, his career is on a decline. We understand? Like,
Yeah.
when they arrive at the Chiefs, they no longer play, they don't play for the badge.
Yeah.
They don't have passion for the club. They have passion for what the club brings to them. The resources that the club brings to them. I told you,
Yeah.
the benefits of Kaizer Chiefs, but they don't have passion for Kaizer Chiefs itself.
I
So
think,
they won't bleed for Kaizer Chiefs. Those
So
guys.
what
feel
do you
like-
think can change that?
what I
It's,
think
it's ruthlessness. Ikosi is soft.
as ngicabanga
Yeah.
kumele yenzeke ne.
Yeah.
I feel like the Chiefs should start operating like Barcelona. You see how Barcelona does. The Kaizer Chiefs,
You need
besi-
to be
listen,
Madrid.
the Kaizer Chiefs, beside Madrid doesn't use academy players. The
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs ubheke players that are good, players that are
Yeah.
fighting for a badge. Even
Yes.
if they end up selling them,
Yeah.
it's always been academy players. MDC players, it's always been those
You're
players.
adding to my point. Those
It's
guys,
always
they fight for the badge. But
But-
those that are bought in, they've reached the promised land.
Yeah.
They are not. They don't fight for the club, but it's like they are there for the resources that the club provides for them.
Actually, I want to
But-
touch on your point.
But
yes.
now, Olilepo, he came on form.
Yes.
Even the man, you can see his performance, he hasn't changed his style,
Yes.
but he's dropping.
Yeah. But okay.
I want to touch on Freeman's point when he said Kaizer Chiefs is soft, we are soft. I want to actually like ask, how did Maclo get a contract extension? Because what did he do before that?
No, I think Umatlo, it's
It's
He's
the
good.
net bank.
No.
It's a net thing. Wait, you got a contract extension after that.
No, do you know what I think happened with Umatlo? We know his quality, right?
But he hasn't shown it.
No.
And that's the ruthlessness that we need.
But
he hasn't shown it
in
for how many years.
In Matlo's case, Agasisang, it was injuries that hindered his.
I think
His potential.
He's still playing now.
No,
I think
no.
the Chiefs should
He's
start.
not.
Do you know why? Because by the time we gave Umatlu a contract extension, we had not bought these players that are there now. So what happened with Umatlu is we gave him a contract extension with the intent to which we lack in a certain area, right?
Do you think if Sundowns was Kaizer Chiefs, would Sundowns give Michael an extension?
Yeah, but sometimes even worse too. These guys don't even mind having 45 players. You get what I mean?
They wouldn't.
Yeah.
That-
So we also had the same mentality. Okay, we're playing CAF, we're playing
But they
Nedbank were
wouldn't
playing.
give him an
So
extension.
remember, we need the numbers. We need the numbers.
But he's not playing, but he doesn't deserve the
You
contract.
know, at that time when they gave him an extension, these things were like they were in process with, you know, we have Netbank, we have CAF, we have PSL, we have Carrying Knockout, we have, I think it's in, I forgot something else.
Yeah.
You understand? So we're gonna need to have the numbers this season because we're now playing all of these tournaments.
So now,
Before we
so-
signed these gang players that we have now.
so now when Dupre's contract
point was
ends, they're
fine.
gonna give him a contract
You
because
see,
of
that's
his
what I'm
numbers.
saying.
No, because we
Oh,
already have the
yes.
numbers and his ass.
They're gonna give him a
Oman was
contract.
ass. He just couldn't.
They're gonna give him a contract
Who?
because we need numbers.
Please, kahle kahle.
Yeah.
That guy.
Loyo kumele bemconvente bemenze right back. Yabona eKasi.
We
eKasi.
must be.
Yabona eKasi ne.
Yeah.
Okay, just before we move to the highlight of the week,
Yeah.
something that's gonna soothe my heart,
Yeah.
make me happy, make me feel better. Final thoughts, Joe Stone Killer Chiefs. As a Pirates fan, Joe, like, what do you think? Just thoughts, like, for Chiefs, wait from here or from here.
Chiefs
Going
should
forward.
stop being delusional. Have a coach. A proper
Buy what?
coach.
Oh,
Have a
okay,
coach.
yeah.
Buy a coach and
But the thing is, we all know the coach that will make Kaizer Chiefs proper.
yeah, we do. But I'm not gonna say buy who.
They
I think
don't want to give control to that guy.
Yeah,
We all know.
Hey, Baba,
And
you
I don't
ask me my thought. Hey, let me
Yes.
say my thought. There's a
Are we?
No, I was supporting your
Yeah,
goal.
yeah.
I was supporting your goal.
So I thinking I will say Tata my points one.
Yeah, and I was saying the coach we all know
Yeah.
who should be there.
So after
Do you want me to say his name? Or do you want
Of course.
so
of course.
after buying the coach, let the coach have control.
They don't want to give.
Yeah.
We don't know if Kaiser is always saying put who, but what they should do, they should just be like presidents Europe, in fact. Like those guys, they don't care what you do, they only give you resources. Do what you want as a coach. You are a coach.
Even you
Impossible.
don't even have to go that far.
Yeah,
Down.
Impossible.
Yeah.
Impossible. In that club.
Mfana,
That
like,
club.
give them.
Impossible.
Then after,
Impossible.
The politics that
what
impossible.
Chiefs? The main thing that Chiefs should do: change your scouting team.
Okay, let's move to about your thoughts on Killer Chiefs, Joe.
Aye,
Thoughts on
bro.
Killer Chiefs.
Yeah, but the management should look at themselves. Wait, the management should.
Which management? Remember,
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kamikaze and his friend, they are management as well. So
No.
when you say management,
Top management. Bro.
yeah.
They should look at themselves and just they should question themselves as to where they want to take this team and if their direction is
Yeah.
leading them to that direction because from what we are seeing
Yeah.
us as
It's
fans,
bad.
it's not leading them there. And is the direction that they're taking now where
Mhm.
they want us to
Yeah.
go. Like, because obviously, if they want us to be a middle table team, yeah, we can be that. That's the perfect direction that they're taking now. The direction that they're taking now is actually just what can I say? I don't wanna assault other teams, but
yeah.
it's super sport level, bro. Like it's
True.
there. Like
Amazu.
super sport is not even the PSL anymore, right?
Yeah.
So like the top management has to look at the mirror.
Yeah.
And if they want to change,
Mhm.
they have to obviously get a new coach, get a proper coach
Get
who will
Pito.
make changes.
Get beat.
Just get Pizzo.
Pito is chilling here watching under 16
Just-
games. Come on.
Just get
Come
Pizzo.
on.
Pizzo will get there. Pizzo will get there,
Come on.
and he will make rules. He will set his foot.
Oh,
Ukuthi, if
oh.
I perform me,
Yeah.
if you don't do this, you don't belong in my team if you don't do this, if you don't do this.
Or get Benny McCarthy.
I'm not gonna
Yeah.
babysit you.
Bro.
The thing is, we babysit a lot of players. We babysit a lot of players. There's no time for babysitting, but we need the league. We need the. We need why?
Bro.
There's no time for babysitting.
Asazokudlala. True.
Now babysitting to breathe.
True.
Hey, uzoba crack.
Out.
How long?
How long has he been in Kaizer Chiefs? How long is
I bet that guy doesn't even have 20 goals for course. I don't even think he has 20 goals.
I don't-
He doesn't.
he doesn't? For sure he doesn't.
What is that?
Or does he have 10?
The question. We don't know. But then again,
Maybe.
For me-
not. Maybe.
for me, I think it's,
Caleb has more goals than him.
I'm gonna come to the fans. We are too relaxed as Kaizer Chiefs.
But are you happy about the attendance?
No, remember attendance, Joe.
The attendance I understand because what?
Personally,
You're gonna pay to watch that shit.
no, I don't even think about that, Joe. I don't think it's about that.
Nah,
I
but,
feel like as a country, we can't afford to
no,
go to
no.
And besides
no
that,
way,
my man,
no,
no, besides that, we have things to do.
no,
Bana, when it comes
Kaizer
to Chiefs
Chiefs.
fans,
Kaizer
they
Chiefs
don't
fans.
care how well
Wait,
the
I want
game
you to understand.
plays.
When Kaizer Chiefs plays well, boy.
Yeah, I understand.
You were selling
When
out.
Kaizer-
Those 5 games, they were sold
no,
out.
during the weekend we can.
No, Kaizer Chiefs, boy.
Ah,
You don't know.
Bana, we went
Hey,
to
boy.
Sundowns Wednesday. You
Hmm?
remember that day
When?
when the gates were closed and only one gate was
Yeah,
open?
No, but remember, it wasn't full stadium.
but it was paid.
Yeah, it was
compared
paid.
to how it was today.
Okay, fine. I take the L. Fine.
Yeah.
But the point I was trying to make is the fans, we are too relaxed. We must become ultras of Kaizer Chiefs, Joe. Because those
Become
guys,
pick up.
my
Don't
man,
talk
I'm fit.
nonsense. Don't promote violence, though, but don't
no,
talk nonsense.
it's not a violent
Mm.
thing. I'm not coming with violence or any of that. I'm just saying we are in a game, right? We are losing. I want Bashama Drangumnani. Go.
Keep quiet. Just keep
No,
quiet.
no, besides keep quiet. Kali ngoma kuyasho nje kuyaduma
Yeah,
la
yeah.
FNB. Nil.
Don't boo. Just keep quiet.
No. Make
Boo.
your feelings known. Because those guys, I remember when we were playing against that team. What's that man? Against this cocoon.
Yeah.
Against this
Yeah.
It will be
Kulungwane.
and people
was
But
people around us. People around us.
you don't know Kulungwane. Go watch our game against TS Kalani.
It's here right now. Click on the link, you'll see it.
You'll see Kulungwane.
The only point is, we must be mad. They must know that we are mad. I'm not saying let's throw the water bottles at them, let's fight them, let's hurt them. No, they must know. They must know which we are not here. Because now they went on a corner, they play cock, they are happy, they get paid, they come to us by and
I feel like you remember what you remember how Pirates
supposed to be
you
like
remember when
I feel like the people that represent Amafair, like the popular people, that when they say something, people listen. I'm not gonna mention names. Let's not mention names. Let's not mention names. I'm just saying the people that represent us fans, that when they say something, it reaches a voice. They are relaxed about the situation. They are
But you
there
know-
for
you know what I was
the
gonna
likes
say?
and their
Without-
But
Mm.
they don't do what's necessary.
Yeah.
They need to fight for the fans. What they're playing is shit. They need to know that we are not happy.
Yeah.
We are not fighting them. We're not being violent. But we are not happy.
Yeah.
And next game, if they play shit, we must know that they're playing shit. We are not happy.
Yeah,
They must know, because that's like they don't know. They're just
you know what I was gonna say?
Yeah.
Besides not mentioning the name, I was gonna say these people are focusing on the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Are focusing on arguing. Like
Yes.
always when they are pushing their thing, it's always arguments. It's not
Yeah.
about we
What's
should do
actually
this and-
happening.
they're always
Yes.
arguing. Oh, my team this, no, my team that.
Yes.
Like and they're forgetting Gucci
The
fans
points actually
are looking up,
up to them. They don't.
They know because now we know Gucci they built status sub.
Yes.
We respect that. and
Yes.
we big up to that.
Yes.
Now give us what we put you there for.
Yes.
Exactly, way. But
You are there because of people.
Yes. But
Do
then
what
again,
you want.
before we over elaborate on Kaizer Chiefs, let's move on to CAF Champions League.
so now, boy, let's take it to CAF.
Yes.
Let's take it to CAF. Let's start with Pirates.
Actually, let's talk about Pirates.
We done with Kaizer Chiefs. Fuck,
Joe.
we done.
Even
bro.
if they go to next
Aye,
round, Joe,
fuck
what
them.
they're doing cannot be until.
Yeah, boy, like
Jabulo Njandeni, man.
okay.
Pirates are
Okay, actually, before we start, with Pirates, I want to say this. First game, it's a two-leg game. First game, 3-0. So now we're looking for the second game now. The second leg. So now it's like, okay, Pirates lost 3-0, by the way. So now we're going there. We're going. It's on Saturday.
Bear in mind, away goal rule. Those guys score one goal. Pirates is packed times 2.
So now it's like, okay,
What I know is they're not gonna score.
okay, now it's
Pirates
like,
has been
okay,
good defensive.
okay, now we there now. We
In a
there.
way.
Second leg, we there.
We are there, yeah.
What's happening? What's gonna
Because now-
happen?
Let's give this nigga a chance to defend his team before we join
What I
the
can say,
fort.
what I can
Slow.
say,
The
judging-
platform is yours, my friend. My
judging
friend.
from my performances with Pirates beside the last one.
Yeah.
The Pirates has been good defensive. I don't know what happened there. Maybe it's because we were not watching and something happened there. We don't know.
now you're watching.
Because I saw they almost broke Uhoto.
Kusho ukuthi it's not the fact that umuntu wena usebenzanga banishayile imfaka
Oh,
umuntu.
ngithi umuntu ophatha isikhwama somuthi bekangekho. Bekabhizi
Bamshayile.
bekabhizi ne-Real Madrid. Bekabhizi.
I feel slow continue.
So Pirates has been good defensive.
Yeah.
So my worry now is not really conceding.
Mhm.
Is as South African football watchers and players, will we be able to score 3 goals?
Mm-hmm.
That's the question.
Do you think so?
Winning,
Do you think that?
winning
Yeah.
Pirates, I can say we're gonna win the game.
Yes.
But will we reach 3 goals? That would be the
So,
problem.
are you guys going to the next round of CAF? Are you
Are
going to go to the group stages?
Yeah.
Are you going to?
or not?
Okay. As a fair, I am worried. Wait, ungangikhathi.
No, I'm just saying. Do not start your statement with as a fan because we
Yeah.
are justified before you actually
Yeah.
give us the reason.
I am
Give us the
worried.
reason.
I am
Give us the
worried.
reason. Yeah.
Nganje, one leg in, one
Are you
leg
going
out.
through?
Mangia, I'm seeing myself going through penalties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm saying we're gonna go.
That's valid. Yeah.
through
Yeah.
penalties.
3-0.
Yeah, 3-0.
3-0 win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So manje, thinking I would conceding, we're not gonna concede at home. We're not. Lapho ke, I'm 100% sure we're
Yeah.
not gonna concede.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mhm.
that team, we don't even know the team. We don't even know where they are from. Congo. Ukuthi badlala kuphi, we don't know.
Friends of Lipolo FC or Lipopo FC, we are there. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
are we going
Yeah.
through? I'm gonna say we're going through penalties.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna win 3-0.
Mhm.
But oh, there's that huge space there of doubt.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'm not really scared. I
Yeah.
don't know. I'm not scared. I don't have
Yes.
specific feelings for this game. I don't know if it's a good thing or not.
Yeah.
But I don't have specific feelings for this game. Because the thing is, we only saw clips on what happened.
Mm-hmm.
We only saw one goal that was trending. The other
Mhm.
goals we didn't see them.
Sure.
So we don't know how
Doesn't change
Pirates-
the score.
yeah, we don't
Doesn't change
know
the score
we
like
don't
that.
know how Pirates flop
Yeah.
because you only see Pirates playing like Barcelona but not penetrating there. Like tiki taking the ball, pump
Sure,
18.
sure. I'm
but-
with you. I'm with you. I thought.
But we don't know what happened.
Mhm.
So I feel like the reason why I don't have specific feelings for this game is because I didn't watch that game.
Yeah.
I can only say we're gonna win. Ukuthi, how will we win?
Mhm.
How are we gonna do it? We don't know because we don't even know what Lupopo is.
Okay.
How many P's do they have?
Kaba?
We don't even.
Catch us by Orlando Stadium. We'll be there. We'll be watching.
We will be there. This is not Matthias Saba. We will be there.
now. Yeah,
We'll
we'll be there. Obviously, interviews, but yeah, catch us there.
And what's gonna make me happy? There's this song that Amapani ayithandayo and Young
Hey,
I will be there. 89 minutes, 2-1 on the practice winning.
Sukusele kancane ukuthi Pirates iphuma. Sukusele kancane ukuthi Pirates. Sukusele kancane.
Sundowns, Stellenbosch, Kukuna United, we'll all be there.
Yo, mfana,
You'll
you know,
all be
you know what's the sad
singing.
part?
All
You know what's the sad part?
Yeah.
The sad part is Pirates has just been nominated as one of the best teams in Africa.
nominated by who? Wait, what's
It's nominated on the awards, on the best performing teams in Africa.
or is it the CAF Awards?
Yeah,
Our-
awards. It's nominated.
Bro,
And imagine if we get knocked out
we don't care.
early this time.
What I know is, as we speak, the more I speak, the more the seconds go by. Do you know what that means?
Sokusele kancane. Keep it certain legs. Pirates is going out. Pirates is out. As I speak, Pirates is out. Sokusele kancane.
What?
I also think that because like firstly, no South African team has overturned 3-0.
But we have.
Also,
Which team?
Yeah, you remember a team Mnyen, yeah, Mnyen.
also,
When we beat Zamalek, we beat them 5-1, I think. 5-2 or 5-3. Yeah, if I'm not sure.
another
Remember
another
a team
thing-
yabo Makola, when Makola scored
Yeah,
a free
yeah,
kick,
yeah.
yeah, and Mnyeni what take Ipola, what Faga.
Yeah.
Aggregate, what was the score? It was
They
5.
beat you 3-0 at home.
We lost at home.
3-0.
I'm not sure.
No, that's
No.
3-0.
but then again, slow.
But
remember one thing.
Pirates is beat
Ah, ah.
the only team in South Africa that is capable of comeback.
Slow, my man. You guys are giving Pirates too much credit. First
Not
things first. Orlando Stadium is not unfilled. Let's start there. Orlando Stadium is not unfilled.
But you
Not gonna
but-
fail.
It's not gonna fail. Oh, I'm not gonna say any roof. It's not
I'm not gonna say anything, Lini. You guys felt the atmosphere when you were there.
Wait,
Felt it the last game when you
but
were
it
there.
doesn't
You
change.
felt the
No,
atmosphere.
it doesn't
Yeah,
change.
it was felt what Pirates can do.
It was good, I won't lie.
Even though FNB is
Hey,
bigger than Pirates,
slow,
but they couldn't
slow,
do
listen.
what Pirates does.
Calm down and listen. Yazi gonna kubuhlungu because you are poor.
Akho buhlungu,
Already you're out of care.
mina ngiphumi.
Mafina
So when
stages.
so when ucabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs iyofika kuphi?
we're going to.
No, you ucabanga ukuthi iyofika kuphi?
Hey, when I start because you
No. Now you won't. You think you will?
This is
You think you will?
my man.
You think you will?
This is a conversation for people.
You-
going through
Mara,
stages.
Judging from your performance, from your anger, you think you will?
So let me
Never gonna
actually,
make it.
let
You're
me
never gonna
actually
see
say
it.
something. Like it's crazy. Last season, you made it to the semi-final
Now
of
you're
the
feeling cool.
group stages. Like there's actually 98% that you don't make it to the group stages.
You will.
Hey, these guys are
Ramontanda.
I'm giving them 2%.
Ramontanda.
I'm giving
Baba.
them 2%. bro.
Ramontanda.
And imagine
We're gonna
you don't-
summon Vinicius Junior. We're gonna summon Benzema. We're gonna summon everyone.
actually
Hey,
from
Mahopa.
semi-final to not making the group stages.
Do you know
Because
Mahopa? You know Mahopa?
Actually, last season we were hoping for a Sundowns versus Pirates final.
final. Yes.
So now you're not gonna make it to the finals, but you're gonna make it. You're not gonna.
You guys are
stages.
and then when now you're wearing a black kit, you should remove that badge. We are gonna make it. Watch. Mina,
You know-
yabona manje,
you know-
masicala lento before the
you know-
argument.
you know-
Before the argument that they
those
didn't have.
toxic- you know those toxic relationships that happen with people. They abuse each other, but
And
they
they-
never leave each other.
And they always get back together. Same.
This is a toxic relationship.
It's a wonder. It's a wonder of it.
Master Nikosi,
Yeah.
it's an in-house problem. In-house. Mina, so ngiyakuthola umakhelwane baxabana endlini ungenaphi? Ufuka izitsha lapho.
Nawe-ke ungabi lento lethi ubona umakhelwane athenga izitina zihlale lapha 3 years ucabanga ukuthi ngeke uzoyakha.
Uzakha ini?
Uzoyakha le triple store. Uzoyakha. Mina ngiyayithatha i-treble.
So, wakha kanjani triple story ngoba itiri seshawe imvula sesivukile.
Siyakwazi ukuziyakha ngazo lezi
Slow, my man.
velile. Uhothi uzobe khona insimbi engagobi.
Slow.
Noma rusile uzolikhaba lela
Next
bhola
season.
liyongena. 3 goals yangena kusasa. I have umbule, I have I'm even in a rush. You see, uma ngiqala umoya wami bophansi. But now that you're arguing,
Yeah.
that nyang booster man, and I can feel uhoto there saying I'm coming. Umbule there ethi ngiyabalanda. I can feel the spirit to abolish.
Actually, I'm coming.
If you don't get it,
But my closing
I can say
statement.
I'm Tangela.
My
Oh,
closing
okay.
statement.
Before you close it,
Yeah.
you spoke about your orgs. Even there, I said I didn't watch Ikeme Pirates. I was watching 10 minutes in,
Yeah.
10 minutes out. It's crazy, but I actually
Yeah,
did
yeah,
that
yeah,
because I was having network problems.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was
Ooh.
watching the Kaizer Chiefs game with network problem.
Kunduli.
Mhm.
Kunduli actually gave the exact performance ka Ox.
Yes.
So with that guy,
Mm.
that guy is fire.
We don't deny that.
Kunduli is fire. Sihle.
Ah,
It's fire.
Askoda.
So I have
That's
hope.
good,
I have hope in my
Yes.
players.
Mhm.
I can look at them
Mhm.
and I can say who and who and who gonna make us win the game.
Sure.
I can say which okay when who is lacking,
Yeah.
Uban will step up.
Sure.
So I know what I'm saying when I'm saying 3-0.
But
Direct.
one thing I can say for sure is
Sure.
that like the Orlando Stadium won't disappoint. Fans
Yeah.
will be there. The
It will
sta-
be
like
packed.
yeah. That's,
Hopefully we can get tickets in time before they finish.
yeah. Actually, we should.
Because we don't have tickets yet,
Hmm.
so hopefully we get them. Hopefully we get the tickets.
Yeah. But Orlando and we'll be there, boy. Like we'll be there. guys.
Hopefully we get
Catch
tickets.
us there, you'll see the interviews when Chiefs are crying.
No,
And these two guys will be
obviously-
focusing on the
obviously
interviews.
it's the interviews and the vlog. We'll see the vlog.
Yeah,
when
and then they'll
Pirates
be,
fans are
and then
crying.
they'll be
So,
dancing with me. They'll be dancing with me. You'll
It's a
see.
long movie, so yeah.
They'll be
Again,
dancing with me.
remember someone lost. It's fine. Let me just keep quiet.
Shut up.
Let
Shut
me just
up.
keep quiet. Because
Shut up.
again, my closing remarks, because I don't want to add anything more, is one thing Pirates fans should know. Nyasho nje namanje. Mapagania. Orlando Stadium is not Anfield. Orlando Stadium is not Benepao. Akunaroof ezovalwa, akunaremontada. Sokusele kancane. Ukuthi Pirates ipho. Sokusele kancane.
One thing I can say. If you Pirates ya Puma. If you Pirates ya Puma.
Yes.
The final whistle will be crying on the other side. And guess who will be there? You already know it. I don't have to say it. Others will be also joining me.
You don't get it. You don't get it. Pirates and Chiefs are playing at the same time. It's not the final whistle. Okay, guys. The final whistle.
Guys.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and obviously see you in the next episode.